What is going on, YouTube family? Welcome back to another episode of NAS100 analysis. Today, we're going to be picking up from where we left off, which was on Wednesday. So the last video I did was on Wednesday, and that was in preparation for the CPI report. Okay, so we looked at that, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how I saw the CPI report when the news actually broke out on the day, which was disappointing. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it was disappointing on that day. Exactly what happened, right? So first off, we're just gonna jump into the CPI real quick. So pretty much everything that came in as forecasted, so all the forecasts, right, which is this area right here, right, became the actual on the day of CPI, which was on Thursday, right, which resulted in more ambiguity in this area over here. So if I just make this a little bit bigger, you see what I mean, right? So these two candles over here are in relation to the CPI report. Okay, so this was the first one, so he pushed all the way up, it was pushing all the way up, doing good, and then it broke all the way down, came all the way down, then it pushed back up again, and then the second candle pushed all the way down, right? I was thinking it was going to go down even lower, but it didn't, and then it started to push back up again. And I literally just waited. I just watched and waited and watched and waited and watched and waited. And the reason why I did that was because the numbers came out identical to what was forecasted. Okay, so there was no big moves. So essentially, if we had a higher number in the CPI, right? If you had a higher number in the CPI, then you could have expected volatile market movements. Or if you had a lower than forecasted CPI, then we would have expected volatile markets. Like, it would have been really easy to kind of pick a side and go with the flow as to what way the market was moving in. But that's not what we got. We got what was forecast, and this is what we got out as a result, right? Now, in the whole situation of what was going on, I didn't do anything, because as soon as I saw the numbers were identical, I didn't know what to do. So I just thought, you know what, I'm just going to wait out. I'm just going to leave it out, and I just left it. I just got on with my day. I was just like, let me just do what I'm doing, and then I'll come back on the weekend, see how everything is looking, and then I'll make a decision from that point onwards. So now we're here at the weekend, right? And what we have is we have a nice little uptrend. Okay, it's a bit violent in this area, but outside of that, it's a nice little uptrend. We have price come back into the zone, and then it just pushed back off again, and now we've gone back into another zone, right? And this is the area that I just put up. So I put this up a few days ago as to, because I wanted to see where price was, and if price is going to go above this zone, and if it comes back into this zone, then that's when I'm going to join it at this level to ride it up to this zone right here, which is 11934.29. Now, I don't know if price is going to come back to the zone or if it's going to break down from this level, but I want it for it to do something like this. So this is where it is right now. Market's about to open in the next couple of hours, give or take, right? So I'm expecting price to do something like this, go up, then maybe come back into the zone again, and then push back up, right? And if it does this move, then I will join it from over here, and I'll ride it to the upside. If it doesn't do this, then I'll just wait until it gives me a clear indication that it's reversing from the current trajectory that it's on, and then I will join it from that way. But at this point in time, I'm in no hurry to jump into the markets at all on anything. I'm in no hurry at all. I'm literally going to take my time, because I think when there is a lot of confusion going on in the markets, this is when you kind of want to just take a step back and just wait until everything looks kind of clear. And as we can see right now, things are not looking clear. Things are straightforward, but they're not looking clear in terms of what market wants to do and how it wants to do it. So this is my first little test for this week. Is it going to push through? Is it going to come back? And if it comes back, I will consider joining it from this level to ride it up to this zone, right? That is how I'm basically seeing that. But we'll see how that goes. So guys, so once again, thank you for coming over to watch another episode of NAS100 analysis today. Your energy is definitely appreciated, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video, which will be very, very soon. I aim to release video as frequent as possible, but don't hold me to it. There might be a day here or there that I just might miss posting up a video, but in most cases, I would aim to try to post this video as often as I possibly can. So yeah, so with all of that covered, guys, right, thanks for coming over, watching another episode. Definitely appreciate you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video, which will be very, very soon. So for now, this is Pips and Points signing out.